In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Brevo account. To create an account, you can use our link, which is placed in the description below the video. We would greatly appreciate it if you use this link, as it can provide us with a commission if you later decide to upgrade to a paid plan at no additional cost to you. So when you're on the Brevo website, click the sign up button, then enter your email and choose a password. We are creating a free account, so as you can see, there's no credit card required. Okay, now let's click create an account. Now verify your email account. Go to the inbox of the email you entered, open the email from Brevo, and click on the verification button. Then enter details about you and your company. If you don't have your own website, you can just leave the website field empty. Next, enter your company address. If you don't have a company address, just enter the address you want to use for your business. Select your company size, how many contacts you have, and whether you sell online or not. Next, validate your phone number. Brevo will send you a verification code via SMS, so just enter it here. For now, I will just select the free plan. So this is what the home dashboard of Brevo looks like. So we have here guidelines and instruction on how to utilize our Brevo account, like how to create a campaign, add contacts, etc. So you can just explore it yourself. And on the left side menu, we have here, of course, under home, contacts, campaigns, automations, transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, and calls. If you want to learn more about Brevo, you can check out our beginner's guide to Brevo, where we cover the essential elements and features of Brevo. The link to our Brevo beginner's guide is in the description of this video.